Welcome to Taming Python tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create sequences of numbers with range function in Python. A range function is an inbuilt sequence generator in Python through which you can generate sequences of numbers. You may require to generate sequences of numbers for various scenarios in your programs. For that, range function is an ideal choice. The syntax of range function is as follows. You have to specify range and you have to give the three numbers start, stop and step. Start and step are not mandatory, so the syntax is like this. If you want to generate a sequence from 0 to 4, you can just write range of 5 because the last one will be excluded, or else you can also write range of 0 comma 5, but 0 is redundant because start is by default 0. And then if you want to create a sequence from 1 to 7, you have to write 1 to 8 because the last number will be excluded by the range function. And if you want to create a sequence from 2 to 12 but in steps of 2, that means you want something like 2, 4, 6, then you have to specify the third input, which is the step input. So I'll write range 2, 13, 2. So start, stop and step. So this is how you can write range function. So let's get started with coding. I'll just take a blank folder. I'll open with VS Code. I'll create a new file. I'll just name it index.py. Okay, my file is ready for coding. Let's take an example where I have to create a sequence of numbers from 0 to 4. So let me take a variable called x and I'll write x equal to. So this statement will create a sequence x with numbers from 0 to 4. I have written 5 because the last number will be excluded by the range function. This can also be written like this, x equal to range. This also produces the same output because here we didn't specify the start. That means it was 0. So I have specified it explicitly and it was redundant. And even I can write this same thing as x equal to range of 0, 5, 1. And I have given the step equal to 1. By default step was 1, so I didn't mention these two lines, and here I have mentioned it and it was redundant. So if you want to specify a sequence of numbers from 0 to n, you can just use this first statement. But if I want to specify a sequence from say 10 to 15, then I have to write x equal to range of 10, 16. Remember the last one will be ignored. So that's why it is 10 to 16. So if I want to produce a sequence from 2 to 12 and it should be in steps of 2. So I want an output like this. Then I can write x equal to range of, the starting number is 2, the stop number is 12, so I have to write 13 here, and my step is 2, so I will write 2 here. So this will create this sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so this is how we can use range function to create sequences in Python. In line number 8, I have written x equal to range of something. That means x is a sequence, x is not a list. To convert x to list, what I'll write is, I'll take a variable y and I'll write y equal to, in brackets I'll write star of x. So now x is converted to list and stored in y. So let me try to print out y. I'll run this. You can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So using this star operator and using these brackets, I was able to convert a sequence x into a list y. You can also write it this way. I'll write star range of, instead of writing it in another line, you can create a sequence of numbers which is a list in one line like this. Next we are going to learn how to iterate over a sequence of numbers using for and in operators. So I'll write for k in range of 2, 13, 2, and I'll write a colon here and I'll write print k. So that's it. I have used for and in operators over a range to iterate over a sequence of numbers. So let's see how it goes. I'll just save it, I'll run it. You can see I have printed the sequence of numbers. So using the for and in or a range function, I can loop over each number in a sequence in my program. I have written a blog post on how to create sequences with range function in Python, and I have also given examples for you to practice with. So make sure you check out the link of this blog post in the description of this video. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.